Hello friends, in this video we learn three things that that what is variables and how can we type any comment in JavaScript, and the third thing is how can we add any two numbers by using Windows alert like alert. So now type here style. So first we style the body tag and like this. Now first I want background image. I want repeating so one, and then type the color names red, orange. So let's see how it comes. Open the live server. So so I want this from I want to write see. So now let's type here text align center, and then let's type here script tag like this. So now here first type center tag, so the all things will be in the center of the page. Now type here h1 tag, and in h1 tag type JavaScript. Type J in capital letters and S also. Now here I am typing question 1, then add 30 and 60. Now let's create a function of a button here. First we have to code button, then answer, and then 1, and now in button type on click, and then name your function like I'm typing here my fun. Why I type here my fun? My fun means my function. So then bracket and colon. Now firstly we learned that how can we give any comment in script tag. So firstly here we have to type function like this, and then I'm typing here my fun because this is stuff my function name, and like this. Now for typing a comment type a slash slash and then this, and for closing the comment type here. So now type here any comment you want, like comments and variable here. So now type here after comments, type here var. Now what is var? Var means variable. So like I want to add any two numbers, and like firstly here I want var a, and the var a contains any question or anything like 10, and then type a var b, and the var b contains number 20. So and now here I am creating a var c, but see here one more thing, that first I typed var and then a. Why I typed var then a? A means the name of the var, and the var means the var. So var means the variable. So we have to type a name after every var, like we can type instead of a car. So you can type here any name of a var, and now I am creating one more var c, and the var c has a plus b. Now if I want to display the var a or var b by any Windows alert is the same as the alert, but in this alert we have to type Windows. So if we type here like this, or and then C, here you do not have to type any apostrophe, because this is we have type here var name, not any text or so. So if you do not type here any apostrophe, then it means that this is a var. So see, here's this, and when you click here, then here comes a plus b, not c, because in c, var c there is a plus b. That's why it is like this. So now let's learn that how can we add any two numbers in Windows Alert. Like first I have to display this alert, then I want to display the answer, or like here is 30, then 60, and now here I want the answer, and I had to type here Windows dot alert, then bracket, and then do not type here apostrophe, type here the number which you want to add, like 30 plus 60. Now see how it comes. Here's the output. When we click on the button, here comes 30 plus 60. Then when we click on OK, then here comes 90. But see in the coding, okay, but see in the coding here that we type here 30 plus 60, not 90. So when we do not type here apostrophe, and we type here any number with plus sign, then it will add that number. Like if I type here 100 plus 90, then see how it comes. When we click on the button, here comes 30 plus 60. We have to remove this also. Now when we click on the OK, then here comes 190, and the answer of this sum is 190. So like this you can add any number in Windows Alert, and you can display any number by using var here. So Friends, our today's whole topic are finished. Thanks for watching. Bye.